In this video, we are glowing up. I will have to ask you to wait for a little longer. Okay, the best for the last that we had saved. I hope you would have noticed that I have gotten a new nose piercing. So this is the nose piercing I got. मेरा पहले से एक piercing था इस साइड जो मेरे बाबा that is my grandfather उन्होंने करवाया था बहुत पहले when I was very young. But then it closed up over time. I didn't focus on it at all, and it was on the right side. So I live in Bangalore. Here, people pierce their noses on the right side. But since I'm a North Indian, I'm from Bihar. We do it on the left side. So वो बंद करना पड़ा, and I was putting a thought कि मेरे को बहुत दिन से नाक छलवाना है before it's too late. And I quite like it actually. I like the way I look. I look good with this. So this is the nose piercing I got. See, I really didn't want to spoil it for you all and show it from the very beginning of the video. But the thing is, once you do a piercing, you need to wait at least 15 days at the minimum before putting proper jewelry on it. So this is the starter they gave me. That this was a piercing. So this inside is it's a needle-like structure, and with the gunshot they just pachak and kar dete.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं मेरा नाक छेदाने। क्या? तुम्हारा नाक छेदाने? हम तो मेरा नाक छेदाने हम सबको जा रहे हैं। सबको में आते हैं पापा और मम्मी। अपने व्यूज बताओ सबको ही। बड़ा मजा आने वाला है। ऐसा है क्या? ज़्यादा पेनफुल होगा?
वो नहीं ज़्यादा, एक बड़ा सुम्मा सा छेद करेगा।
वो क्या होता है?
सुबह
मैं तो गन शॉट करने वाली हूँ। जल्दी बेटा। We'll meet you at the क्या जगह होता है? At the jewelry shop, right?
Including मतलब PPF ना? Including style and PF. एक में फिर बोल तो तू अंदर बोला था किसी का पास पूछी थी तुझे? क्या हुआ? तो वो इधर दुकान वाला है ना? हाँ ये बात ठीक
सही है बात
नहीं, थोड़ा और बीच में होना चाहिए यहाँ पे। थोड़ा और बीच में
नीचे करना है। हाँ थोड़ा नीचे।
नहीं, वहीं पे साइड
वो तो ज़्यादा ऊंचा हो जाएगा ना। अब 1 inch 1 से बರುತ್ತೆ ಈಗ ನೋಡಿ ಕೈ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೋಡಿ ಇದು ಅದು ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡಿ ಡಬಲ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ You want tomorrow? Do you want one more? Yeah, that side also. You see? Yes, show me your face. They're crying.
I shouldn't have put mascara. नाक छिड़वा लिया मैं। कैसी लग रही हूँ मैं? छोटा सा है। उस टाइम भी ऐसा ही मेरे को याद नहीं, मैं बहुत छोटा ये स्टार शेप्ड है।
स्टार तो देख ही नहीं रहे, छोटा सा नाम।
नाक पे और बड़ा लगने लगा, मोटा।
ठीक है, तो आफ्टर इवनिंग क्लास में तो लगते लगी।
Nose piercing done, guys. Hi guys, it is D+3 of getting my piercing. मेरा piercing is doing good, I think. It's still in pain. कल भी थोड़ा बहुत रेड था, D+1 में भी थोड़ा बहुत रेड था, but now I think it's fine. I have मैंने कल मुंह धोने समय उसको थोड़ा मार दिया था सटाक से, इसलिए थोड़ा खून निकला था। सो ऊपर थोड़ा लाइक द अपर पार्ट उधर थोड़ा खून और पस का सॉलिडिफिकेशन हो रहा है। सो दैट्स लिटिल part I'll have to clean all this. But guess what, guys, I now have 35 subscribers. Thank you to 35 of y'all who are watching my videos consistently, giving views. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
You're one of them. Okay da. Thank you to you also. This is really crazy. I can slowly vision my channel बहुत धीरे growing. So I am thankful to every single subscriber here, including मेरा भाई. Although I forced him to subscribe to my channel and view and like every single video of mine, but I'm really thankful. Okay, you're back. Update on the nose piercing. We are doing better on the pain part of it. मतलब जब when I was crunching my nose like this बहुत दर्द हो रहा था, अब वो दर्द बंद हो गया है। एंड ऑल्सो जो पस निकल रहा था और जम रहा था वो भी ढेर कम हो चुका है। एंड आई कैन मूव दिस अ लिटिल बिट हियर एंड देयर नाउ, लाइक फॉर क्लीनिंग while washing face and all, and there's no infection, no nothing, no signs of anything right now, so that is going good. All right, that was D+6. Very soon I'll be going to buy my nose ring and change from the stud to nose ring, and we'll see how that looks. Welcome to my elevator project, guys. Do you like my earrings, guys? Failed attempt of nose ring shopping, guys. It was a failed attempt because I thought of buying a nose ring, which we took a lot of time to select. The one that I liked was too big for me and it didn't look good on me. The one that fit and was looking good on me had a problem. The nose ring is like circular and it's like the top part, like Kanka Bali, it's like the metal or the gold is little thin. It was so small and my nose ka cartilage or flesh or skin, whatever you call it, you name it, it was too fat for it to enter completely. So it was not just coming out from the inside part of it. And then we tried a few studs, like nose pins, I would say. Yeah, there's some nose pins. A lot of them also didn't come through completely, like pierce through completely. One did. It came out, but then I didn't really like the design of it. It was too simple. मेरे पे रिंग अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं, कि स्टार्ट ही लो? नहीं पक्का रिंग अच्छा लग रहा है कि नहीं? औरत जैसा लग रहा है कि मैं स्टड ही लूँ मम्मा, स्टड ही लूँ।
नहीं, हालांकि फिटिंग तो अच्छा तो ज़्यादा वही लग रहा है, ये ज़्यादा ही सटरनर लग रहा है।
And throughout all this process, it was very painful, bro. I'm telling you, nobody ever prepares you for the time when you have to remove the pierced nose pin for the first time. Nobody prepares you for that. Nobody prepares you for the pain you will go through while putting your first nose ring. It's horrible, very horrible. नाक भी मोटा मोटा चमड़ा thick skinned person yeah, and all throughout this process my nose was also bleeding, which indicated that it was not healed properly. I really delayed this video to come out because of this, and I was like, okay, today I go and buy the nose ring. We were even about to pay. It was painful. So I apologize that because of this my video took so long to come out. Hi guys, today we're going for jewelry shopping again. Because yesterday was a fail, we're going again today. Let's quickly get out of this state. Let's change it to the fit first. Okay, that's the thing, guys. This is the beige top I'm wearing, and these are my black baggy pants. Alright, let's get ready. We are on our way to Jayanagar Joyalukas. हम लोग क्या करने आए हुए हैं? वो लोग नथुनिया लेने। Nose ring खरीद रही।
What is the gold rate today?
93. It's also same. Sakta Sunday is same.
वही वाला जैसा है ना?
Do you have it?
हम लोग जॉयलुकास में आए हुए हैं गाइस। पापा हेलो बोलो। पापा सर तगड़ा खर्चा करवाने वाले पापा इग्नोर कर दे। बोला ना। We have successfully bought the nose pen. Thank you, mommy. उधर मलिका चुन रहे थे। ओ पापा ने मलिका चुन लिया। मलिका क्या? मलिका का आम। पापा मलिका चुनकर कैसे लग रहा है? टेस्टी टेस्टी मलिका खाएंगे हम लोग सेलिब्रेशन। हाय गाइस, मैं पीछे वाले गाड़ी का हेडलाइट यूज कर रही हूँ अपने चेहरे को चमकाने के लिए। बट हमने शॉपिंग कर लिया, बहुत मजा आई, बहुत मजा आया। मामे आपको कैसा लग रहा है मेरे लिए शॉपिंग करके? बहुत टका खर्चा हो गया, इतना महंगाई। थैंक यू मम्मी, आई लव यू सो मच। बर्थडे मम्मी का आ रहा है, गिफ्ट मेरे को मिल रहा है।
फ्लाईओवर पकड़ लिए।
पापा का फेवरेट फ्लाईओवर, मेरा भी फेवरेट फ्लाईओवर। 4 किलोमीटर बस उड़ाते रहो, उड़ाते रहो। और इधर मेरे बगल में बैठा है मलिकाए आम। और जब हम घर पहुंचेंगे हम खाएंगे आम। सेलिब्रेशन। और इसी खुशी में आज मैं डिनर बनाने वाली हूँ। क्या बनाने वाली हूँ? ढाबा स्टाइल आलू गोभी का सब्जी और पूरी। ओके मम्मी। अरे यार मैं तो सुंदर नहीं लग रही हूँ। हाँ? Cooking in process. I hope I make this good. Really hot. I think part of growing up is also doing things what you love, doing when you're really, really happy. And also making your parents happy. I feel like that's gonna be so tasty. Because I'm the cook. Just kidding, but high expectation, guys. Oh, by the way, I got tired. इसलिए मैं कुर्सी पे मच्छी डालकर बैठ के मूली छान रही हूँ। लाइट हैक। Okay, it's the next day. I'm currently in college and this is the nose pin that I chose for myself. Do you like the choice? Do we all agree on the choice? Because this is the choice that was made by both Mummy, Papa and me. We three collectively agreed on this nose pin because it looked so pretty. And I'm so sorry I didn't really have the time to film a proper outro for this. But this is what I have. I hope you liked my glow up video and I hope you found that I actually glowed up because technically I did make a lot of changes in myself. You could see that by the end of it I was really happy and I felt like a better person. So yeah, thank you so much for waiting for this video and thank you so much for watching my glow up routine as well. At last, what I like to say is glow up the way you would love to watch yourself after and be proud of yourself. So that is how everyone and anyone should glow up. By the way, my next video is going to be my back to college vlog. So stay tuned for that and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. And till then, enjoy the bloopers. Bye. Hi guys, we are doing better on the
नहीं बगल में आकर बोलो
I didn't stop you from watching. So मैं भी जब देखती हूँ के ड्रामा तो बगल में आकर इतना हाई वॉल्यूम पर रील चलाते हो तब नहीं समझ में आता और बोलते रहते हो कि कम करो तब नहीं समझ में आता। हाँ तो ये 30 सेकंड का काम है, तुम बढ़ा रहे हो। हाँ नहीं ओके हाय बाय। मैं व्लॉगिंग कर रही थी, बता रही थी नोज पियर्सिंग का अपडेट।
कौन सा अपडेट दे रहे
कि क्या चल रहा है। नहीं पूछी नहीं थी। मेरे को कोई व्लॉगिंग नहीं करने देगा। That was it. Why do I sound so boring? Okay, we're back, guys. What?
Waiting for you to finish. Do it fast.
Okay. Hi, guys. Today I won. Okay, and also, yeah. Since I hit the gym, hit the leg. I know you guys have waited so long for this video, and okay, outro में बना लूँगी पूरे ग्लोब के बाद। एक्साइटिंग। और आज फ्राइडे है, मंडे से मेरा कॉलेज शुरू हो रहा है। ये बाय।